The overall goal of these experiments is to illustrate the analytical advantages of enabling emerging technologies based on TIMS-FT-ICR MS for the molecular characterization of complex mixtures such as water-accommodated fractions for crude oils.
The TIMS and FT-ICR MS coupling combines two of the most comprehensive orthogonal analytical techniques for the analysis of complex mixtures.
TIMS-FT-ICR MS coupling permits in a single analysis the characterization of thousands of molecular components with mobility resolving powers of over 150, mass resolution over 500,000, and sub-ppm mass accuracy.
TIMS-FT-ICR MS enables the separation, identification, and quantitation at the molecular level of complex mixtures based on differences in size, charge, and mass with minimal sample preparation.
To begin the LEWAF preparation, add 50 milliliters of dichloromethane to a 2-liter glass aspirator bottle. Close the bottle and agitate the bottle for 30 seconds. Discard the dichloromethane wash and repeat this process 2 more times. Wash 1 more 2-liter aspirator bottle in this way. Then, add about 1.6 liters of filtered artificial seawater with a salinity of 33 parts per thousand to each bottle. Add a stir bar, and then use a gas-tight syringe to add sufficient crude oil sample to each bottle to achieve a final concentration of 1 gram per liter of oil in seawater. Wrap the bottles in aluminum foil to exclude light, and stir the mixtures at approximately 100 RPM for 24 hours.